hoodie, and I'm gonna do couch to 5K app. So it's pretty much like you're running and walking, and I'm legit freezing my tail right now, but I do know that once I start running I'm gonna be hot. So I'm just like, I have my morning face on because I just woke up with like 2 hours of sleep. That's a whole nother story. I couldn't fall back to sleep and I was just super motivated to work out today. I'm on my phone right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do this quick run. When I get down a bit more, I'll show you guys my view. Like, it's a cloudy day. Like, you can see my view like right now. It's kind of like on the water. That's like New Jersey, and the city is like over there, but you can't see because it's a big ass tree. But yeah, so let me get started because I'm freezing and I do want to warm up. So I'll see you guys in the middle of my run.
On the mountains I will bow my life to the one who set me there. In the valley I will lift my eyes to the one who sees me there. When I'm standing on the mountain I didn't get there on my own. When I'm walking.
Sorry, I'm breathing like super duper hard right now, and you're gonna hear this horrible wind, and the quality is not great because again I'm on my phone. But guys, look at this view. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Like, I think this is like my greatest motivators to run, is because I do have a really great view. And oh my god, I'm gonna show you guys a closer look. It's phenomenal. Very grateful for this view, you know. Look at the birds. So beautiful. So I look a total mess, but I just wanted to reiterate to you guys real quick because I'm like in the middle of my run. But I was thinking about something that I definitely want to share with you guys. If you are on a weight loss journey as I am, and you are, like in my case, I'm 60 to 70 pounds overweight, I just want to make it clear, like, don't care what other people think. For instance, when I'm running, you know, I pass a lot of people at the bus stops. A lot of people going to work, going to school. I see people on the bus driving. Like, I'm running on a major block and a lot of people are passing. And when I first started running, because, you know, I'm a little overweight, you know, and at first I used to be ashamed, like, you know, what are these people thinking, you know? But something I learned is, like, they don't care about you. And I just want to make that very clear. People are going to work. People are thinking about the things they have to do, you know, or they're thinking about, I don't know what they're thinking about, but I'm just saying, like, when I see like overweight people run or anybody run, like, my first thought is, you go, girl. If you're 300 pounds, 400 pounds, if you're 125 pounds, I give credit to anybody that's willing to make a better life decision. So I'm just saying, do it for you, you know, because at the end of the day, you have to build your confidence, you have to feel important, and you got to get your body in shape. Who cares what people think? Even if, let's say, these two teenagers at the bus stop are laughing at you, even if you don't hear them, but you think they're laughing at you, you're never probably going to see them again. You get what I mean? So I just want to tell you guys and motivate you guys, even if you're at the gym, people don't care about you. They're worried about themselves. And if they are caring about you, who cares? You know what I mean? Because you're going to get your body in shape. But enough of the preaching. I feel a few raindrops coming on. Oh my God, look at this view. I love it. Guys, it's freezing right now. But you got to see this view in the summer. I'm going to try to insert a picture. It's gorgeous. I got to continue running. Enough of my, you know, motivational speaking. I just want to tell you guys my mindset. It's really cold out here, and I want to continue my run. So I'll see you guys when I get back home, okay? Bye!
Wait's over. Yeah. Drastic changes in the making. I won't stop until we make it. Your body's sorta like Jamaican weather. Hot girl, I can't take it. Hey, your mommy, while she a bad time, only concerned about what her friends drink. Shawty roll up in a party, hold up in the way she play it ain't a game. I can't can't get her off my mind. She stands out from the rest of the crowd. She asks what they don't, so she does what she wants. And them girls get jealous when she walks in. Hey, forgive her, forgive her. 2 shots of tequila, tequila. Got her confidence up, hey, and she don't really need much now. Yeah, yeah. To make you fall in love.
I came home and took a quick shower, and now I'm about to eat, and I'm so happy that I happened to wake up early today because it's raining now, and if I would have woke up a little later I probably wouldn't have went. So everything happens for a reason. You want to see my surprise? Roasted potatoes. My boyfriend had them ready for me when I came home, so I'm ready to eat it up. So good. I love when they're crunchy. And that is probably a lot of potatoes, but it's only made with olive oil and a few seasonings. He switches them up, so I can't even tell you what he uses. And I'm gonna make some eggs with it and an orange. So instead of talking through it and boring you, I'm gonna hit you with a quick food montage. Cold. I didn't let it sit out. Forgot. But yeah, so that's gonna be my breakfast. It looks so good. So I'm just gonna eat my food real quick, and then when I come back I'm gonna show you guys what I plan on eating for today. Being that I'm staying home, it is subject to change, but I just want to show you how I get a brief idea of what I'm gonna eat. So yeah, I'll be right back. So those potatoes and egg, I was gonna say eggs, were so good. I ate them already, and I happen not to eat the oranges yet. I think I'm just gonna snack on them, you know, throughout the next hour or two, like whenever I feel like it. Between the rest of, I'm already full now, and I only drink a little bit of water, so by the time I finish all of this, I will be full to capacity. And yeah, the oranges are gonna have to wait because I don't want to stuff myself. But in the meantime, I do want to show you guys what how I like plan what I'm gonna eat for the rest of the day, just so I can have a broad idea. When, like, if you're gonna like to work or school, I guess like stick to it, but if you're home, you can like wiggle it anyway. So I'm just gonna write down a few ideas which I plan on having, but if I don't feel like making it or whatever the case is, I'll have something else, or I'll skip a meal, or whatever the case is. But this is just to like plan. I meant to mention this. I have a video about how exactly I do it and what's my mind frame while I'm doing it. I'll link it on the, I'm gonna link it down below, and with the eye pops up on your top of the screen, your top right of the screen. So that's just like a detailed breakdown of how I do this, but I'm just gonna run through this real quick. So I normally write my water intake up here just to motivate me to keep drinking water. I try to get 16, and I write it in Roman numerals. I write them in tally marks. So like so far today I had 3 cups of water. That's bad. I should have had more by now. But anyway, my first meal was at 10, can you guys see? 10:30. So that's gonna be my eating schedule today. So for breakfast I had the potatoes with egg and orange. Here I'm gonna have oatmeal, with peanut butter and apples. 4:30, probably do a smoothie. All the stuff is frozen already, so I'm gonna just throw a bunch of frozen stuff together. And for dinner, I want to do, what do you call it? A salad. And I know, like, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna put in it, but I'm definitely gonna put salmon, however you call it. Salmon, red onion, and maybe a little rice. Obviously, I didn't put the lettuce. That's kind of obvious when I put salad. I only have romaine today. And 10:30, I'll probably do popcorn. I have some popcorn left over. I didn't do the homemade one this week. I bought the Smart. I forget what it's called, like Smart Choice, Smart Pop. I don't know. Skinny Pop. Yeah, popcorn with some almonds. And there we have it. And then every time I drink, let me pull this back. And there you have it. Every time I drink water, I'm just gonna have this by the fridge, because I hang this on the fridge with a magnet. Have this by the fridge and you just tally it up. Again, I have a video explaining like the whole thought process to that, and like the science behind it. So I don't want to bore you guys. So pretty much you eat every 3 hours, you try to eat a healthy carb, fruit, veggie, and a protein. So, and a healthy fat. So I hope that little trick, I'll keep looking at the fridge because it's hanging on the fridge, but I hope that's helpful. And yeah, so that's pretty much my rest, like that's pretty much my day. The only thing left I have to do is edit Savvy's videos. We went to Chuck E. Cheese about 2 weeks ago, and I wanted to upload that video, but I meant to vlog it. However, it was like atrocious in there, so I ended up not vlogging it, but I got footage for her channel. So that's just like pretty much my day, is edit her video. I do have to make a shopping list because I need to pick up food tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that today or tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see how the day goes. Yeah.
Girl,